How can you stop people from adding you in WhatsApp group? This is the only most irritating, frustrating, penetrating, wasting and messing thing on this available on this earth. Seriously, I hate this thing the most. Here you can see that someone added me in this group and I immediately left it. But I don't want anyone to add me in any group like that. So how can you do that? Just click on these three dots, click on this settings, then click on this account, click on this privacy, scroll down. Here you can see groups. Click on this, then click on the third option, my contacts accept. If you click here any contact, then he or she won't be able to add you, but I don't want anyone. So click on this top icon. So you have selected all the contacts, so no one can add you. So click on this tick. Okay, perfect. That's the only thing you have to do right now. Do it right now. Do it right now. So anyone can't add you in any WhatsApp group. So that's how you can stop people from adding you. You can stop stupid people from adding you in such groups. So thank you. If this video was to the point, please like, comment and hate those person, block those person who add you in such groups. Thank you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.